Hello guys, and today I will introduce you with this unique Germany gray color with the shower tint exterior. And let's take a look, and we will introduce you for the trailer's interior and exterior. Let's take a look at the exterior first. So let's take a look at the hitch area. And as you see, we are using a D035 coupler, 2 safety chains, and 50 ampere Anderson plug, also 13-pin connections, and this is a manual brake. We have 1,000 jack to hold the camper in the front side. Also, this customer is using a electric mover, and you are using this, you can move the trailer automatically. So this is the hitch area. By the way, the chassis material, we are using the high strength steel, and the surface treatment is the hot dip galvanized and UV painted, then the surface black painted. You can see from the VIN China VIN number here, you can see a hot dip galvanized. The inside, you can see it very clearly. This is a hot dip galvanized. So this is a symptom, a signal for the trailer's chassis material. So let's take a look at the front toolbox. You see, this front toolbox is quite big. You can put a 10-liter propane tank inside. You see, we have a propane tank holder inside, and the tools we placed for the customers. We have all the tubes already fixed there. You just only need to install our previous and factory equipped connections. Then the heater system can put in use. So here you see we have a 5-liter diesel oil or gasoline. You can add it any at a time for the slide out kitchen, a gas supply, or the heater. And you see from here we have this. You can add in water by here. You can using the key to open it. And you can take a look at this side in this whole picture here. Okay, let's keep moving. Keep moving. As you see here, this is a side tent, shower tent, as we see here. You can see this shower tent in this angle. Alright, this is a shower tent, especially you are camping in the outside in the summer. So you are take a shower inside will be a little bit hotter, and in exterior would be okay. And let's open it. This is a plumbing. This is a plumbing water. So it's different from our default water heater, but both available. And by using this, you can use in the water in the winter season. So let's closing it. So it's super easy here. Just closing. And this is a toolbox, 80-liter capacity, and this is also we have a. So this customer customized a. Yeah. So you see here we have a faucet here, and it's very unique. All right. And we are using the coil spring independent suspension system. This is aluminum alloy, flow forming off-road ring and off-road tire. You see, this is an independent suspension system, big spring, Mamba customized coil spring, Mamba customized absorber here. And you see at this hatch, you can see here. At this hatch, we have a shore power plug and an air conditioner compressor, and also the plateau version diesel heater is installed there. So let's closing it, and let's take a look at this angle. So you can see this is the trailer's shell. You heard the voice. This is high strength steel, and The sealing material is the vinyl, is a vinyl gum. We're sealing those spaces, and it's waterproof and rain proof. And also you see there is another rack installed for the customer. They can hand things that they want. And you can see this is the rear of the trailer. And those are the aluminum alloy material with the painted. And a waterproof aluminum alloy storage box, 20 liter capacity at each side, 40 liter in total. So let's take a whole picture at the rear of the trailer. A full-size off-road spare tire here. And this is the license plate, the stainless steel material you can see. Alright, and there is a air conditioner compressor, air conditioner fan here, and 10 liter capacity of diesel oil tank. And you see here, this one is a stainless steel, a pair of stainless steel support bag. You can see it. Okay, this is stainless, and this is a steel hot dip galvanized. A pair of stainless steel support bag, which is very unique. And you can see the chassis of the trailer here. Okay, the water tank, fresh water tank is underneath the trailer. 140 liter capacity for the fresh water tank. Some customer tell me that we need to install a used water tank. Yeah, we will take this into consideration. And so let's tap again. Okay, this is a solid high strength steel, but the shell of at this side we are using the aluminum plate, aluminum alloy 5051. Okay, at this hatch, and this customer is using a lithium battery, and this is the coolant meter and household electricity installed here. The default is the gel battery. Gel battery 240 amp. Okay, by the way, so you're fixing here. So let's take a look. This is very unique. This is a white design. Okay, I'm open the LED lighting here, and you see the entrance is lower here. The entrance is lower. Compared with our default one, this one is lower, much more great. And this is a white design. A white unique inside. Okay, you can take a whole picture here. And we're using the teak floor. And this is a 40 liter only freeze refrigerator on camper. And with all the mattress, the needed material. And you see the table can be manually lifted. The air conditioner is on the camper here. The air conditioner and a monoxide alarm, carbon monoxide alarm by the air conditioner, and there are 3 stainless steel hooks. And also the wall is covered by the leather material. Okay, so at this control panel you have everything. You see 2000 watt inverters and MP5 diesel heater and everything managed. And also there is a secret igniter, a water tank display, household electricity, and this is a plumbing control. Okay, this is the overview of the inside. Okay, this is the overview of this unique trailer. Will ship to Mongolia. Thank you for watching.